Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this episode I'm going to bring you to the workshop during the summer intensive at Italian Bonsai Dream. The intensive class at Italian Bonsai Dream is an experience for national and international students. So you can fly in Italy, in my place, and live the dream with me for 10 days or also a week, stay in my place and work bonsai every day with a great group of people. The group is very various. There are guys from all over the world, and it's beautiful the exchange of information and the work together that people can have during the intensive class. So it's very recommend to come and learn from me and also learn from the other participant to the intensive. This is a big exchange of information, exchange of experience that people can have during this time in Italy, in my place. And apart bonsai, we can also go out, have dinner together, and enjoy life and have a great experience. This summer intensive was very well attended. We have the locals like Mirko and Davis, Paolo, and this year we have Samuel from Sardinia, and we have the usual international students that already did some intensive with me. Vladimir from Slovakia, El from Chicago, that they are at the 4th intensive, Martin from Denmark, Michelle from Switzerland, and Fritz from Germany, already at the 2nd intensive class. And obviously every year we have new students coming from all over the world. For example, this year we have Alex from Germany, Lucas and Andrew from Slovakia. We have Vladam that came for a few days, Alexander, the young Alexander from Denmark that came also for a few days, and the family had beautiful holidays in the Dolomites. And also from very far away, from the island of Puerto Rico, we was glad to have Liz Marinette, Christopher and Ashmel to come over and may be part of the big group of this year. People can fly and arrive at the international airport of Venice, and we can arrange the pickup, or they can drive in my place and bring their own trees. During the 10 days of intensive, we organize groups working on different trees, and the work is very various. We go from new styling, refinement, working deciduous, working conifer. All the work is a good experience to challenge the student and help them to increase the capacity, increase the knowledge, and also build a great experience and self-confidence of working bonsai. So every participant can go back home with a lot of experience and new knowledge and work his own trees by itself. you want to participate to my intensive classes at Italian Bonsai Dream, we normally do one in February and one in August. For 2025, we're gonna have a class starting in February 26 to March 7, and another class, the summer intensive, starting at August 17 to August 26. So if you want more information, you can write me on my email address, or you can go on my website, ItalianBonsaiDream.com, and you will find more information about the intensive class. Trust me, it's a great experience, and so far every student who was at the Italian intensive had a great experience and is always willing to come back. Thank you so much for following my YouTube channel. Remember, I have a bonsai book, Bonsai Dream. You can find it also on my social media. You can ask more information about my classes, my work, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you at the next. Everybody.